Why is it red? Did I do something wrong? Am I not going? Dad! It says final boarding! Our plane is leaving now! No, please. I can't miss Hawaii. Today is my birthday trip.
Jace, stay with me. We are close, but we must move now.
Last call for Honolulu. Gate will close soon.
I promised myself I would see the sea turtles.
40 minutes earlier, the family still thought everything was perfect.
We are here! The airport! Hawaii is really happening. I want to build the biggest sandcastle in Hawaii. And I want to see a real sea turtle. Not a picture. A real one.
Honolulu flight, gate B12. We are on time. Good start, team.
This trip is special. We planned it for your birthday.
Best birthday ever. I will remember this forever.
Stay close. Airports are big, and our family stays together.
There, Honolulu, gate B12. I see it too.
Honolulu, gate B12. On time. That sounds perfect.
Your bags are checked. Please go to security, then gate B12. All right, everyone, keep a close eye on your boarding passes. We don't want to lose them before the flight.
This little paper takes me to Hawaii.
Keep it here. Do not lose it, birthday boy.
That line is very long. Is this normal?
It is long, but we still have time. We just need to be ready.
Please move, line. Ugh, Hawaii is far away, but my gate is close.
Please wait. This bag needs another check.
The line is not moving. We are losing time.
We cannot control the line. We can control our calm.
I am trying to be calm, but my stomach feels funny.
That is worry. I feel it too. But worry does not drive the plane.
Passengers for Honolulu, please note, gate change.
Shoes in the tray. Bags in the tray. Stay together.
Please come back to me, Turtle Book.
Whose small book and postcard are these?
They are mine. It is my Hawaii book. Is something wrong?
Nothing wrong. Just a second check. Here you go.
Thank you. This book is very important to me.
We lost more time than I wanted. We need to check the screen again.
Dad, it changed. It is not B12 anymore.
The pass says B12, but the screen says B18. The screen is newer.
Then we go to B18. No guessing. We follow the latest screen.
B18 sounds far. Is B18 very far?
It is at the end of this hallway. We walk fast, but safely.
B12, B14, B16, then B18. I can help count the gates.
B12, T14, B16, B18. Please be soon.
Not this one. We keep going.
B14. 2 more gates.
Honolulu passengers, boarding will begin shortly at gate B18.
Boarding will begin. That means we are not too late. There is a line. Maybe that is our Hawaii flight. We made it! We really made it!
Wait, this is B16. This is not Honolulu.
Not Honolulu? But I thought we were safe.
We are not safe yet, but we are closer than before.
B18 is still ahead. It says far end.
The main walkway is closed. We have to go around.
Around? But the plane will not wait around.
I know. I should have checked the screen sooner. I'm sorry, team.
We fix it together. No blame, just the next right step.
Okay,
Next right step. Gate B18.
excuse me, how do we get to gate B18 for Honolulu?
Certainly. Go straight down this concourse, then take the escalator on your right up to the B gates. Go left, then right, then straight to the end. Boarding has started.
Boarding has started. The plane is getting full.
Listen to me. You are scared, but you can still move.
I am scared, but I can still move. Left, right, straight. I remember it. Left is done. Now right. Then straight to B18. Left, right, straight. Gate B18. Hawaii, wait for me. There. B18. I see the gate. We found it. The Hawaii gate. Gate closing soon? No, no, no.
Final passengers for Honolulu, please have boarding passes ready.
Boarding passes. Dad, Maya, Mom, Jace?
My boarding pass. It is not in my pocket.
Everyone stop. Check the bags. Check the book.
It was in my turtle book. I put it there after security.
Good. You found it. Hold it with 2 hands.
I have it. Please let me on the plane.
Good, good, good.
This is my ticket to Hawaii. Why is it red? Did I do something wrong? Am I not going?
You did nothing wrong. We will check it. One moment. His seat changed. I need to update it.
Please help us. This trip means a lot to him.
The plane is right there. It is so close.
Try again, Jace.
Please turn green. Please turn green.
Green! You made it!
I made it? I can go to Hawaii?
Yes. Happy birthday, Jace. Go see those turtles.
That was too close. My knees feel like jelly. My heart is still running, but my feet can rest now.
Welcome aboard! You are just in time.
Window seat for Jace. A promise is a promise.
I thought my birthday trip was gone.
It was not gone. It was waiting behind one hard moment.
Today we learned something.
Always check the screen again.
And always check Jace's turtle book for boarding passes. My turtle book saved the trip. Kind of.
The race was over. The family was finally on the way to Hawaii.
Goodbye, airport. You were very stressful today. We are flying. Hawaii, here we come. Sea turtles, I am coming. I did not give up.
He was scared, but he kept going.
That is real bravery.
Dad, when we get there, can we look for turtles first? Yes.
First turtles, then beach, then birthday cake.
And my giant sand castle. Do not forget my sand castle. I will help. A turtle castle. A big one.
After fear, hurry, and one red scanner, Hawaii was finally close.
I see land. Is that Hawaii?
Yes, sweetheart. That is Hawaii.
We made it. I really made it to Hawaii. Welcome to Hawaii, birthday boy. It feels warm. It feels like my dream. The ocean is so blue. It is better than my book. Wait. My Hawaii map. Uh-oh. New problem? No. New adventure.
The map is leading us right to the beach. It looks amazing, kids. Let's go.
Hawaii, I almost missed you. But I am here now. Now, let's find the sea turtles.